What is up, YouTube? Mike D, and this is not the Whack and Shack. I'm currently in my living room. The video you're getting ready to watch was filmed throughout the course of the day. If it could go wrong, it did go wrong, but I still want to get a video out to you guys, get y'all some content. House should be here in the next week or so, so hopefully everything will get back to normal. A lot of chaos going on right now with senior events for the school that I work for and everything like that. That's all over. Just wanted to get out to the building today, relieve a little bit of stress, and I put y'all a short video together. All right, so I've tried to film this 2 or 3 times, and my equipment keeps malfunctioning, so it's probably time to maybe get some more storage on the phone, computer, something like that. But you ever just got tired of just building the holiday decor and snowman and stuff like that, and just wanted to yeet arrows at something? I did. This is the Yeeter 5000, and we're gonna lob some of these darts at some stuff, probably that dirt pile, things like that. This is made entirely out of scrap wood and boredom. So get it set up and I'll give you a few shots. This ugly ass monstrosity here is pretty much a flight deck trebuchet without the bow. Got some bungee cord on here, homemade dart, handlebars, gate latch for a trigger. This first test, we're just gonna see how far it'll shoot. Not too bad. Okay, so I have no idea if this thing's even remotely accurate. But what the hell, we're gonna aim at that little white box down there. Too low. Too low. White box shot number 2, maybe? Nope. Alright, test number 3. Test 5,382. And again. Finally. Is it great? Nope. Is it fun? Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's try to shoot some random stuff. Alright. Piece of scrap wood wedge. Why not? Alright, with everything being said, before we end this video here, building backyard siege weapons is super fun. Don't get me wrong, love doing it. Use some common sense and some safety. Don't point at anything you care about or don't want to tear up. Same rules as a firearm. Same rules as a bow and arrow. I mean, do I think it would kill somebody? Not unless it's real close. Probably wouldn't be great for animals. And say if you darted your friend, you probably wouldn't have that friend anymore. That being said, let's try to sling some arrows. All in all, yeah, kind of wasted a day. Try to relieve a little bit of stress. After all, that's what I got into woodworking for. I'm sure the next video will be back to the whole how-to and educational stuff and all that cool stuff. But before I get out of here, I'm going to lob this arrow across the street. Maybe put it in the hillside. I don't know. But until then, y'all have a nice day. All right, so yeah, short video. I had fun, had to release some stress, got the job done. I'll get back to the how-tos and DIY videos here shortly. just had to relieve some stress. That being said, check out the shirt shop, like, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Love y'all. God bless. I'm out.